baka soon magtatrabaho po ako sa po, Walking Street.
You're thinking to walk in Walking Street?
Opo.
Bakit mo naman po, why are you thinking to walk in Walking Street po? Imbis sa mga mag-maid ka na lang, ganyan. Or sa mga karenderya po.
Ano po kasi yung mga larangan nga po kaso napakaliit naman ang sahod.
She said in karinderya, canteen like that or maid, she said that it's a good job but the salary is too slow. That's really sad. But I mean po, if you work in Walking Street, doesn't mean that you can get customer all the time. Hindi naman po all the time ka makakakuha ng customer. Tapos sasabihin ko lang po sa inyo, 'pag nag-work po kayo sa bar, lalo na 'pag waitress kayo, your salary is just like 300 or 400 peso po, and you cannot get customer all night po.